Hello and welcome to the Pannonic Mechanic. Today I want to show you how to replace this part. This is a fuel filter at a 2006 Hyundai Accent. First of all, you must find that damn thing. Is it here? No, unfortunately not. Is it maybe here? No, luckily not. Is it maybe here? Yes, that's the right place. You must remove the rear seat. You need a ratchet and a 12mm socket. There are two hidden screws. I'll show you them. This is the rear seat on the right side. Here you can see the seat belts. Here there is a hidden screw. I hope you can see the distance, about 15 centimeters from this corner on both sides. Second thing is, here, after we remove the screws, we must push that and pull up the seat on the right side and on the left side also. So, one screw. And the second one. Push this clip, push and pull up the seat, yes. Second one. And you can remove the seat. Under this part there's the fuel filter. Now we must pull that up. There are two electric connectors. One on the filter, you can remove that, and one on the fuel pump. You can remove that too, and then we can put that part away. We need some towels, so let's put some of them here, because a little bit fuel will come out. This connector we must push here and then we can pull it off. Yes, a little bit fuel comes out. So, the other side. Yes, I have more space. Yes. So, this is the filter. When I replace a fuel filter, I do normally this. I let the fuel out, what is in, so I can see if it's clean or if it's dirty. It's clean, it's not a big problem. I will try at the other end. So, and again. It's not so dirty. It's okay. It's only an indicator if you must go somewhere other to get your fuel. So we don't need the towels anymore, we can put them away. Here's the new filter. First put that hose on the filter. Yes, success. Then put the filter into its place. first hose, one, ready. So the fuel filter is replaced. Now we need the electric connectors. First this little one on the filter and that one on the fuel pump, otherwise it doesn't work. So that's done. Now let's start the engine. And we leave that as it is, so we can see if fuel comes out. So, as you can see, everything is dry, no problems, we were successful. Now we can put back this part. It's an elastic glue, you must only press that down again. And that was it, the fuel filter is replaced. So, now I can do something other too. It's a cover. I removed it because I had problems with the anti-skid sensor on this side. Now the problems are solved, and I can put that part back again. The screws are in the ashtray. So, and now the car looks a little bit prettier again. So I'm ready now with replacing the fuel filter. Hyundai says that it's necessary to replace that part all 60,000 kilometers, I think. But you can replace it more often if you have problems with the car to detect some problems. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. And I wish you a nice day. Thank you. Bye.